Have you ever stood at a career crossroads, unsure whether to follow passion or play it safe? Maybe you're in a relationship that feels off, but you're scared to let go. Or perhaps you're trying to be the perfect parent, student, or professional, yet deep inside, you feel completely lost. That feeling, that fog in your mind, that's confusion. But let me tell you something most people never hear. Confusion is not failure. Confusion is a sacred signal. It's the beginning of real clarity. Let me take you back to a battlefield 5,000 years ago, where Arjuna, the great warrior, stood just like you, frozen, shaken, unsure whether to fight or flee. And I, Krishna, spoke to him then, just as I speak to you now. O Arjuna, your heart trembles, your bow slips from your hand. You ask, should I fight? Should I run away? And I say, to feel this way is not weakness, it is the birth of wisdom. Even the wise become uncertain when duty and emotion collide. But hear this clearly. Running from confusion only deepens it. In today's world, confusion looks different. A 30-year-old switching jobs for the third time. A student wondering if their path has meaning. A mother unsure if she's raising her child right. We scroll, we smile, we pretend, but inside, we doubt. And that's okay. Confusion is like fog. The path is still there. You just haven't stood still long enough to see it. Let me tell you about Priya, a young woman, brilliant, capable. Her family wants her to be an engineer, but her heart wants to teach music. She keeps pretending, until one day she breaks down and says, I don't know what to do, I'm confused. And in that moment, her journey begins. Not because she found the answer, but because she stopped lying to herself. O seeker, come to me honestly, with your doubts, with your questions, with your trembling heart. Don't pretend to be sure when you're not. Let the fog be there. Let it pass. And when the sun of awareness rises, the path will reveal itself. Confusion is not your enemy. It is your invitation. So breathe, sit still. I am with you.